Hi guys, quick live withdrawal lang po tayo kay GE Healthcare. So mag-withdraw tayo ng 135. Ay, 100. Check natin kung pwede 130. Ah, shit. So yan guys, no, wait na lang natin na mag-success. Waiting na siya. Akala ko kasi same siya ng wago na 130, gano'n. Zero yung dulo. So, wait na lang natin na mag-success and pumasok sa ating GCash account. So, habang hinihintay natin na mag-success yan. So, ito pala yung mga products nila. No? Yung 200 pesos mo kikita ng 40 pesos per day. Yung 600 pesos mo kikita ng 125 pesos per day. Yung 1,200 pesos mo kikita ng 270 pesos per day. Yung 2,500 mo kikita ng 600 pesos per day. Yung 5,000 pesos mo, 1,280 pesos per day. So, same sila ni Wago na hanggang 5,000 pa lang yung nabubuksan na product. So, hindi pa dumarating yung product na 11,000, 23,000, 50,000, no? So, for sure tatagal pa to, no? So, wait na lang natin na mag-success, guys. Wala. Hi guys, so success na yung aking withdraw, no? As you can see sa withdrawal record, success na nakalagay and you have received 122 of GCash Prime, no? So pumasok po siya sa GCash ko, sobrang bilis lang guys. 1 to 2 minutes lang pumasok na siya, no? Tapos guys, ang minimum withdraw dito is 120 pesos. May 10% siya na withdrawal fee, kaya 122 lang yung na-receive natin. Ay! So yun guys, ilalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And again guys, invest what you can afford to lose lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.